guys, this is Matt from Rubicon Matt, RMO. I came down to Wildcat Hollow just to do some hiking today. And it's just amazing how many of these trees are down. I think, I'll show you some pictures. There's trees down everywhere. And the path was kind of muddy. So I was gonna come down here, hike a little bit, and then camp at the trailhead. But what I'm thinking I'm gonna do now is just get back in my Jeep, get the mud off my feet, and do some overlanding. You know, I'd rather do that anyways, right? Got myself some wildlife. It was a possum. Well, while I'm walking back to the Jeep after picking up my camera for a drive-by, here's my view. But up here, I think we almost have a washout of a road. You can see what they've done. I'll show it to you here. Well, I may be in a situation again where I'm by myself and I'm not sure, I haven't been down this road, but you can see it's pretty muddy from here on, or pretty wet. And I'm supposed to go up here and turn right, but I think since I'm by myself, I'm not gonna try it, but the view's great. Look at the trees. I love the pines. That's where I came from. So I think what I'm going to do is turn around. And this isn't swampy enough to get me stuck down here, so I'll back in here, turn around, and Overland. Today, as you saw before this, I did some overlanding, found some great spots kind of up that road past the trailhead. I've talked about it before, but I just wanted to show you some of it in the video beforehand. So tonight I'm going to do some camping here again. I picked this spot right here. It's got I brought some wood and it had a couple pieces of wood along with it, so I'm going to check it. It's about 5:28 p.m. right now. It's going to get dark, so I got my tent set up real quick when I pulled in, and it's going to be cold, so hopefully I dressed. I'm kind of minimalizing this trip by only going to eat some of the of the mountaintop food, freeze-dried food, and freeze-dried coffee. No pots and pans, just boiling water tonight. And hopefully I'll make it through the night. I brought my Big Buddy heater with me, and we'll be using that in the tent tonight. But I forgot one of my sleeping bags, because my sleeping bag is only a 50-degree sleeping bag. So I'm kind of worried about that. But hopefully the Buddy heater will keep the tent warm enough so I shouldn't have that issue. So here we go. Well, you know the routine, right? I need some fat wood. You see how dark it is, how sappy that is. So I'm just going to feather it. And try to keep the pieces so they don't fall off the wood. The ones that do, I'll add to the as kindling. This is all I have. I don't have a lighter, so I have to get it going with this. I got a stone for Christmas to sharpen my knife, and I forgot to sharpen it, but it's still pretty sharp. I'm gonna get some good feathers in there. My only hope, and it's getting cold out, people. Okay, I got some birch, nice fine off the bark, thin pieces. Kind of shred them up, sprinkle high resin content. I got this, kind of set this right there. See what we can do, people. I need a fire. I'm gonna need it all night long until I go to bed. It's a big fire pit, so I gotta get close to it. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, come on, please. Birch did it. Birch did it. Firewood. Now some bigger pieces. With that good bark on top on that one. Set that one like that. We should have a fire, no problem now. Thank you. Hey guys, it's 6:20 p.m. pitch black out. Got the moon coming up though, but it's kind of in the clouds. So, but it's a full. I think it's almost a full moon, so it might give me some lighting tonight. But anyways, I got a great fire going. It's 30 degrees on my bag, outside bag on the thermometer. Actually, this lighting device I have has a thermometer on it too, and it says it's 31 degrees. So it's going to be a minimalist camp adventure tonight. You saw my overlanding, and now I'm going to cook some Mountain House chicken fried rice. It's got some good reviews, so I'm going to give it a shot tonight. I'm going to try this chicken fried rice from Mountaintop. I love the chicken rice. I didn't know they had chicken fried rice. I accidentally actually ordered this. I heard it was good, but I normally get the chicken and rice, but this is chicken fried rice with green peas, onions, carrots, mushrooms, and 600 calories, 26 grams of protein. That's awesome. So I usually pour too much in, and then it doesn't, I don't like it soggy. You actually have to eat it out of the bag. I didn't bring anything with me. You can see this whole area is empty that's normally got stuff in it. But I'm maybe gonna, after I do this, I'll boil some water for hot tea after dinner. Remember is to throw away that dehydrating packet in here, because sometimes I forget and I have to throw the whole meal away because I don't know. Doing pretty low. There it is, gotta throw this away. Smells good. Stir. We got a fire going now. Keep me warm while I'm eating dinner. Well, here we are. Got a roaring fire, keep me warm. Actually moved a little fire, kicked in the stones, get a little closer. Got my meal, it's steaming hot. Tastes delicious. I'll need these 600 calories. Trying to stay warm tonight. The moon's gone, so we got a thicker cloud cover coming in. So, oh well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the rest of this meal. It's gonna warm my core up. I made some hot tea. So, see you guys in a little bit. A cross. Well, good morning. Made it through the night. It's 7:38 and it is 37 degrees in the tent with the buddy heater running. But I stayed warm. Well, good morning. It's about 7:50 a.m. on Wednesday and just woke up. Stayed about between 32 and 37 degrees in my tent last night when I was sleeping with the big buddy heater on, but I was still comfortable and had a good night's sleep pretty much. And now I'm just going to get everything kind of, put away and then decide what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to have breakfast here or hit the road. I still have some coals from last night's fire from those big rounds that I had, so I'm gonna try to get that restarted. Sun's getting ready to come up. Well, I'm gonna get ready to make some coffee. Since it's cold and a minimalist trip again, well, I'm gonna have some Starbucks Columbia this morning. And for breakfast, I'll try the Mountain House biscuits and gravy. Got a good fire going now. Yeah, my Jeep is filthy, and this is almost like concrete. It's off that gravel road, little pebbles mixed in with almost like cement, it seems like. But that's why I bought my Jeep, to go off-roading. So yes, I understand it's going to get dirty and everything like that, but then I'll have to get it clean. I'll clean it. This is part of the price of being a Jeeper, right? I bought it to go off-road and do things like I'm doing. So price you pay, but it's worth it to me. Well, I've had my breakfast, got everything packed up. Not much to pack up since I went kind of minimalist this time, but anyways, it was a quick trip. Good overlanding yesterday, found some good areas. Hopefully you guys can let me know in the comments if you're interested, and I'll let you know the roads, the names of the roads as you use your Gaia GPS. That's what I recommend. But my encouragement today is out of the book of Joshua. God asked the Israelites to cross over the Jordan River, and he says as soon as your foot touches the water, it will dry up and you can cross over to the promised land. So here's what happens. So when the people broke camp to cross the Jordan, as God asked them to do, the priest carrying the Ark of the Covenant went ahead of them. Now the Jordan is at flood stage, all during harvest. So of course, God asked them to do something. When they walk up to the Jordan, it's at flood stage, the worst condition possible, the scariest, the most worrisome, the most dangerous, right? And that's how God works in our lives. He'll come in and ask us to do something, but it'll be scary, it will be dangerous, it could be risky, embarrassing, those sorts of things. And maybe your life is, but when you go forward with it like they did, all they had to do is just take that step and the water stopped, dried up, and they crossed over the Jordan, because God's power can do the things that we can't do. And maybe right now you feel like your life is at flood stage. Not much more can go wrong, right? With the COVID, the politics, work, everything. So trust God and just follow him, and he'll get you through and cross over the situation to the next. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys please like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything I can do to improve my videos. I really would appreciate it. Just put that in the comments. So God bless.